Hello my dear students, this is Shilpi Saxena. Welcome to my channel Learning Hub. So agenda of today's video is further we will talk about series, working with series, in which I'll tell you the attributes lock and iLock, then creating series from constant values, creating series with range and for loop, and finally creating series using mathematical expression. First of all, lock and iLock. See, iLock is basically, these are the attributes which are used for accessing the elements of the series using the location based on the index and based on the values. As the name suggests, iLock means location based on index. See, in the series, when we are printing the series, I'll just show you in the program. I'll just show you this. I'll just open the program. Suppose I'm creating a series. Suppose this is the series. I'm going to run it. You can see this is the series. So what will happen when I am creating the series? Each and every index, this is the index and this is the values, whatever is attached with the index. So this is defined by the user ABCD, but it has the default index also, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or whatever. So if you want to access the element using the values, that is values of index A, B, C, D, E, F, then we have to use lock. How you will use it? S dot lock. And slicing, I have already told you, same based on that slicing, you have to use A colon E. See, this difference between the accessing using slicing and lock is, in lock, when we are using lock, upper limit is inclusive. When we are using slicing, upper limit is exclusive, means A to E, A, B, C, D, E. If we are using slicing, this will not be included and A, B, C, D will be included. So output will be A, B, C, D and 11, 12, 13 and 14. But when we are using lock, it will print up to E. So upper limit is inclusive. I'll just run this program. You can see A, B, C, D, all 5 are inclusive. Now suppose we want to access using index. So default index, so what we are going to use, suppose I want to access from 1 to 4. So when we are using default index, we have to use iLock, that is index location based on index. So this is 0, this will not be included obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when we are using iLock, upper limit is exclusive. So B, C, D will be printed along with the values 12, 13 and 14. See, when we are using iLock, then also the index will not be default index, it will be index that is assigned by us. I'll show you. See, all 3 will be printed, upper limit is exclusive. So this is the difference between lock and iLock. Next we will come to creating series from constant values. See, if we want to fix the value, means I want a series with a common value. That is, suppose I want to keep it 11. Okay, and in this case, if we want to keep a constant value on all the items of the series, you have to mention the index, that what index you want to keep. So I want to keep, suppose, index A, B, C, D, E, F, then at all the indexes the value will be 11. Function F5, sorry, I'll just remove this and print S. Function F5, you can see all will have value 11. Similarly, if you want, you can use range also here. Index is equal to 1 to 6. 1 2 3 4 5. So in this way all the elements will have the constant value 11. So now next thing is this, I'll close it. Next thing is creating series with range and for loop. So to create a series using range and for loop, what we have to do, simply you will use pd dot series, and after that range I'll use for values. Suppose I'm using 11 to 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 elements will be there, and in the place of index we will use index is equal to, it should be a list A for A in, and in this 4 elements are there. If you want you can use range also, or if you want you can use A, B, C, D. 4 elements are there, so we can use the 4 elements. So it will create a list with A, B, C and D that will be taken as index, and the value will be 11 to 15. Finally we are going to print S. Now you can see here the list is created using for and range. Now the last thing is using mathematical calculation, creating series using mathematical expression. See, suppose we have mathematical operation can be done on array. So we will first import, to create an array we have to import numpy as np. After that I'll create an array. Suppose I'm creating a list first. L is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and I'll convert it into an array, np dot array. After that so this is array is created. Now this array I'm going to use it in the list, so a series. So this array I'll use it in series and create a series using mathematical expression. Suppose this is an array, I'm using index is equal to A, and data, see we can use data first or we can use index first, it doesn't matter. If we are using index first, we have to mention data is equal to, suppose A into 3. See, you know very well that in array we can use vector operation, means when we are multiplying 3 to array, all the elements will be multiplied by 3, and here what will be the series? Index 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, data will be 9, then 12, 15 and so on. I'll just run it. You can see here, in this way we can use mathematical calculations on array also. If you want you can convert it into data and index. Suppose directly you want to make it data, I want to make it index. See here, it will be, so this will be this will be index and this will be values. So in this way we can create series using different methods. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.